Good challenge. Sends it forward. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. Played in field. Great tackle. Ronaldo. And he stayed onside. Great challenge. Benzema. Well intercepted. Keeper collects that one. Thrown out by the goalkeeper. One cleanly. Easy for the goalkeeper there. He chooses to throw this one out. Fuller shoots. Well worked goal. Great finish. It's 3-0 now. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. Oh, nice tackle. Sends it long. Great first half here. Some fantastic goals. Some positive words from the manager. And we'll be back after the break. So, we're ready to go again for another 45 minutes. Good ball. Good challenge. Muller. Superb challenge. Oh, that's going to be a free kick. Neymar. Oh, nice finish there. It's now 4-0. Great challenge. Ronaldo. Into the danger area. Good ball. Let's see what comes of this then. Corner, gets the header in. Oh, he has a go. He got a good hand behind that. And the manager signals his centre-backs to get forward for the corner. Well, there's some pushing going on inside the box. Off his head. And it's saved by the keeper. Well intercepted. Oh, great tackle. Ronaldo. Bullish, and that's his hat-trick. It's not often you see such a high-scoring game as this one. Brown. That's well played. Superb challenge. Ronaldo. Oh, he takes the ball cleanly. Muller. Good stuff. He reads the game so well. Ronaldo. Ronaldo shoots. Back off the bar. Oh, nice finish there. It's not often you see such a high-scoring game as this one. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. Fantastic game here. The standard of play was excellent. Let's hope the next time these teams meet, it'll be equally exciting.